Hello, I am Neha Savla, a third year medical student from Naya Hospital. I've been teaching physics, chemistry, and biology for the past 3 years. During this time, I have taught many students for 11th and 12th boards, for CET, JEE, and NEET like competitive exams. I've taught them derivations, how to write in board exams, to MCQ solving in competitive exams. One thing I've understood through all these years is that every student is different. Some students need conceptual visualization and understanding. Some students require constant doubt solving and revision to understand the topic. Some students require daily life examples to connect topics. So it is very important that one-to-one teaching is being done. Through one-to-one teaching, I can adapt to the student's way of learning, the way student is understanding the topic, and then I can make the student understand even the difficult topics in easy way. For the subjects like physics and chemistry, I focus on making the student understand it rather than just rectifying any topic. Once the student understands the topic by daily life examples, the student can easily connect the topics, and then we can apply it into the sums and numericals, so that it is not a burden on the students to just learn a particular formula or a concept. Once they understand it through daily life examples, then they can apply it to the sums and numericals. This will make them remember the concepts for longer, and they won't have a burden to keep remembering it. For biology, I make it in a story format so that they can connect each topic, and by themselves only they can write it in their own words. It is not again a burden to them to remember a particular thing. Once they connect different topics, they can understand it, they can visualize it. So it is easy for them to remember, and then they can write it in their own words. For MCQ solving or for sums in physics and chemistry, once they understand a particular topic, then only they can solve it. If they don't understand the basics of a topic, they won't be able to solve it or go further. So, understanding the topic, visualizing it, these are the main things which I focus on. There are four things which I do in my teaching. First is conceptual visualization. Once they imagine the topic, we connect it to daily life example. Second is clear understanding. They shouldn't have any doubts in that, so that through one-to-one teaching we can clear their doubts. So second is that clear understanding should be there. Third is to apply it in numericals and sums to do practical way. And fourth is to do revision. By constant revision, they can retain it for longer term. So these are the ways I teach a student, and one-to-one teaching is important because each student is different. So every student will have a different way of adapting and grasping a topic. So once I know that the student is a quick learner or a slow learner, in that way I can make even the difficult topics easier for the students. Being a student myself, I know how to make topics relatable and engaging for the student, so that teaching is not boring and they don't feel sleepy during the lectures. So, if you are looking for something like this, if you're looking for personalized guidance for your child, do connect with us. And science is a very important subject for your child to pursue science in future. The basics should be very clear. Once they have good understanding and good base in science, they can go very further in this field. So do contact us if you need one-to-one attention and one-to-one teaching. Thank you.